In this video, I'll show you how to clear your browsing history on Microsoft Edge browser. Simple and easy. If you are new here, give me a like, subscribe to the channel. So to do that, you just tap on here, which is your top left, top right corner of your screen. Tap on that and then you can see history here. You can move to this section, good, or you can move to delete browsing history, is up to you, or you can move to your settings to do that. So now let's tap on history here. So when you tap on that, what you're going to do is when you tap on delete, it's going to reopen this page for you and you select everything. So currently we selected last hour. You can select all time, past 7 days, your last 24 hours, and your last month, something like that. And you can check these ones too if you want to. You can delete your cache and cookies and everything. Yeah, so cache and cookies, you can check and uncheck them if you want to. If you don't want to be logging into other sites, you can just uncheck them. Cache images, you can check them, and then you clear now to clear everything. So that's it on how you delete your browsing history. Microsoft Edge browser, simple and easy. You can also press Ctrl+H, there's this and this, and good. It should take you here like this. You tap on the delete here, and you pass through the same procedure I showed you guys. You change your time range and then you delete it. Very simple. So in this video I showed you guys the shortcuts and also the normal procedure to do that if you forget the shortcut. So that's it for the video. Peace.